Welcome to LTL. I'm Riona. I'm culture specialist of LTL Taipei School. This is where I work. This is our reception area. And I'm going to show you this area. This is a memory wall. This is my favorite corner of LTL. As you can see, we have a picture from Malcolm. In Malcolm, you can take gondola and enjoy the tea in the beautiful tea house. Also, we have welcome breakfast for our new students every Monday. And this is Pier 5. Okay, in Pier 5, you can enjoy the beautiful riverside, enjoy beers with your friends, and also this is KTV night. So when it's like farewell dinner day, we always take students to KTV after dinner. And now let's take a look at this and this. These are the thank you card from our students from Germany, from Italy, from United States, from all over the world. And also we have sentence of the week and word of the day. Like for example, today, word of the day is 命中注定. Okay, 命中注定 means, oh, it means you are my destiny. Okay, 命中注定. Okay. Okay, now follow me. Okay, this is common area. Okay, this is Marine, this is Octavia. And this common area is for teachers and students to chat, to have lunch, and maybe to do homework together here. And also you can see a mahjong set, Go, a regular chess, and some Chinese books over here. Okay, and this is water dispenser. Tea and coffee for students and teachers to use. Also, as you can see, wow, lots of Chinese New Year decoration here. So these decorations are for Chinese New Year decoration competitions. So we actually make the school look like a temple, okay? A temple in Dalian district. Okay, also there's a surprise over here. You can see the dragon is dancing and moving. Yay! Okay, I'm going to show you more. Oh, by the way, hey, Eileen! She's very important. She's the director of study. She arranged classes and teachers. And now, I'll show you more. So this is the classroom for group class. Okay. The teacher Cici, Olivia, and Mattia. And this is the classroom for one-on-one class. Yes, and more Chinese New Year decoration, lockers for teachers and students to use, one-on-one classroom. And every classroom has a different poster. So for example, this poster is for Chinese zodiacs. Okay, like for example, my year is the year of rooster. Okay, so I'll try to find the rooster one and explain it to students why my year is rooster. Okay, and this is the classroom for group class. Sometimes it's for one-on-one. And for this classroom, you can take a look at the poster. It's called Most Common Chinese Measure Words. Okay, you ready for next classroom? This is one-on-one or for a group class classroom. Teacher Tammy and Jemima. Sometimes we have mahjong event here. And this classroom is for a group class or one-on-one. And as you can see, it's a Chinese family tree. Sometimes it's really hard to memorize the vocabulary for your family. So I think this family tree really helps. And this is classroom 9. Okay, it's also for one-on-one. Okay, and this is a secret room. Okay, we call it classroom 10. Sometimes we call it warehouse number 10. Okay, when students need to put their luggage or put their stuff here, they just hide it here. Okay, and 2 bathrooms in the end. And okay, that's it. Thank you guys.